Ever wonder how it would be if you could have a personal assistant that could write poems, answer complex questions, and even generate scripts for you? Welcome to the world of Google Bard, a conversational AI tool that is set to revolutionize the way we generate and interact with text. Powered by Google AI's Palm 2, a massive language model, Google Bard is still under development but is already showing promising capabilities. It can perform an array of tasks that were once thought impossible for a machine. Imagine you need to generate a poem about a cat. Instead of racking your brains for rhymes and verses, you could just ask Bard to do it. It uses its understanding of language and its knowledge about cats to create a poem that is both creative and informative. But that's not all. Google Bard can also translate sentences, generate ideas for blog posts, brainstorm for new products, write scripts for short films, and even compose songs. It's like having a creative powerhouse at your fingertips. And when it comes to tasks that require knowledge and comprehension, Bard is no less useful. Ask it a question about the world, and it will answer in a comprehensive and informative way, even if the question is open-ended, challenging, or strange. So how does one interact with Bard? It's simple. Start a conversation, ask Bard a question, give it an instruction, or request it to generate text content. Bard will do its best to understand your request and complete them thoughtfully. Remember, Google Bard is not just another AI tool. It's a platform for sparking creativity, a tool for getting things done, and a companion for learning and discovery. As it continues to develop, there's no doubt that Bard will become even more powerful and versatile. So why not give it a try? Experience the future of text generation and interaction with Google Bard. Unleash your creativity, enhance your productivity, and expand your knowledge. The world of Google Bard awaits. As we dive into the depths of Google Bard's capabilities, let's take a moment to visualize its prowess. Here we have a series of slides showcasing Bard in action. Each slide represents a testament to Bard's ingenuity, a snapshot of the magic it weaves. From generating captivating poems at the drop of a hat to producing comprehensive reports, Bard's versatility is evident. It's not just about creating text, it's about creating meaning. And Bard does that exceptionally well. It learns, it adapts, it grows with each interaction, making it a truly personalized experience. Whether you're a poet seeking inspiration, a student looking for an engaging way to learn, or a professional needing assistance with content creation, Google Bard is your go-to. Its potential is vast, its power undeniable. As you witness Bard in action, remember, this is more than AI. This is the future of text generation and interaction. This is Google Bard, your companion in creativity, productivity, and knowledge expansion. And the best part, this is just the beginning. The promise of what's to come is even more exciting. So watch, learn, and be inspired.